A dragonfly is a beautiful and agile insect known for its bright colors, quick flight, and important role in nature. Dragon general description. Dragonflies belong to the order Odonata, and they've existed for more than 300 million years, making them one of the oldest flying insects on Earth. Their slender bodies, large eyes, and delicate wings make them easily recognizable and fascinating to watch. Physical characteristics. Body, long and thin with a hard exoskeleton. Eyes, enormous compound eyes that give nearly 360-degree vision, helping them spot prey easily. Wings, 2 pairs of transparent wings that move independently, allowing them to hover, fly backward, and dart quickly. Colors, often metallic or iridescent shades of blue, green, red, or gold. Habitat. Dragonflies live near freshwater environments like ponds, lakes, streams, and wetlands because their young, called nymphs, live underwater. Fork and knife with plate diet and behavior. Diet, they are carnivorous, feeding on mosquitoes, flies, bees, butterflies, and other small insects. Flight, exceptionally skilled flyers, can hover like a helicopter or speed up to 30 km per hour, about 18 miles per hour. Role, serve as natural pest controllers by reducing mosquito populations. Hatching chick life cycle. Egg, laid on or near water. Nymph, larva lives underwater for months or even years, eating tadpoles and other small aquatic creatures. Adult, emerges from the water, sheds its skin, and flies off as a full-grown dragonfly. Cherry blossom symbolism. Dragonflies often symbolize transformation, adaptability, grace, and change, since they spend part of their life in water and part in the air. In many cultures, they're seen as symbols of freedom, light, and happiness.